100 sentence self introduction. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 25 years old. I come from Canada. I live in a small town near Toronto. I am a student. I study English at a local language school. I want to improve my English skills. I enjoy learning new things. I live with my parents and my younger brother. My brother is still in high school. My father is an engineer. My mother is a nurse. We have a happy family. We like to spend time together on weekends. I also have a pet cat. Her name is Bella. She is very cute and friendly. I love animals. I enjoy listening to music in my free time. My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. I also like reading books. My favorite book is The Alchemist. I sometimes watch movies with my friends. I enjoy comedy and drama films. I also like going for walks in the park. I try to walk every evening. It helps me relax. I also enjoy cooking. I like to try new recipes. My favorite food is pizza. I sometimes help my mom cook dinner. I also clean my room every weekend. I try to stay organized. I think being tidy is important. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast with my family. Then I go to school by bus. My classes start at 9 a.m. I study until 3 p.m. After school, I do my homework. I also practice English for 30 minutes. I use apps and websites to learn. I sometimes speak with my language partner online. We talk about daily life. I enjoy talking to new people. I think speaking is a good way to improve. I also like learning new words. I keep a notebook for vocabulary. I write down new words every day. I also try to use them in sentences. It helps me remember them better. I sometimes watch English videos on YouTube. I learn a lot from them. My teacher is very kind and helpful. She always answers our questions. I like my classmates too. They are friendly and fun. We sometimes study together. We help each other learn. I want to become fluent in English. I think it will help me in the future. I want to travel to other countries. I want to see the world. I would love to visit Japan and France. I also want to work in an international company. I think good English skills are important for that. I enjoy meeting people from different cultures. I think it makes life interesting. I also want to make new friends. I believe learning languages connects people. I try to stay positive. I believe hard work brings success. I sometimes make mistakes, but I try to learn from them. I do not give up easily. I always try my best. I want to improve step by step. I think learning is a journey. I enjoy the process. I like to set goals. One of my goals is to speak English fluently. I also want to pass the B1 exam. I study every day to reach my goal. I think I am getting better. My speaking is more natural now. I still need to work on grammar, but I am improving. I think learning English is fun. Thank you for listening to my introduction.
Speak English anywhere.